recently happened and something
Mm-hmm.
that has taken place in recent times, we use
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Yeah.
So, how has been your day since morning?
Day was quite good.
Hmm.
Today is off for me.
Okay.
Currently, I'm connecting from Israel. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you were working there?
Yeah. Yes, yes, I'm working here for the past 3 years. Yeah.
Oh, great to catch up from Israel. Good.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. So let's, talk about something which is very essential for our being and which is
Mm-hmm.
equally, energizing. So I'm
Okay.
talking about exercising. So tell me
Yeah.
whether you like exercising, yoga, how is it?
Yeah, I do exercise every day. I do yoga,
Hmm.
and apart from yoga and exercise, I go for morning walk for
Okay.
30-40 minutes. Yeah,
Hmm.
that is my daily routine. Yeah.
Every
So
day.
I
Oh,
don't skip. Yeah, I don't skip walking. Yeah.
so that's very nice actually to know about people like you. You know, you're finding time some out every day for your physical fitness, and you remind me of my family members, especially my father, who is also
Uh-huh.
very regular with his morning walks, be it any
Okay.
season, rainy, winter, summer, any season, he would not skip that.
Yeah, that is good to hear.
Yes.
Even because I'm very close to 40 now. So, so because we have to take precaution, earlier I would not, go for walking and all, but now I started go everyday walking, yeah, regular walk.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
very
what
nice.
about you? What about
I
you?
I go to the gym, but I'm not very
Okay.
regular. Sometimes when
Okay.
I have some other work, I do skip, but it's a good habit
I
to
know that.
go every day.
So if you're, I think you are a housewife.
Yeah, you can say that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's why you have to manage a lot of things for your
Hmm.
house. And also, if are you working?
Yeah, so I work sometimes. I was working regularly, but I've taken a break.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm
Okay.
handling many
Okay.
other things in the family front at the moment.
Okay. Yes. Good.
So you said that you exercise regularly. So where do you
Hmm.
prefer to exercise generally? Like whether in the park or the garden or at home?
No, I do yoga at corridor. I have a balcony in my home, so I
Okay.
do my yoga on the balcony. 15 to 20 minutes, not much. Now I do pranayama also little bit.
Hmm.
And before doing before doing pranayama and yoga, so I go to morning walk like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. After that, I do yoga and exercise. Yeah. Then I
Okay.
have to start my daily routine. Yeah, day to day activities. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, of course.
Start with my having black tea. Then I will start my routine.
Hmm. That is also a very
Uh,
healthy, food to have. I mean, drink to have black tea because many
yes, yes,
dietitians they do recommend black tea. Yeah.
yes. Yeah, yeah,
So you are pretty health conscious. So that's great.
yeah. You can say like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here, if you allow me, I would just like to give you some feedback. If
Okay.
is that
Sure.
fine? Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So when we talk about something that has recently happened and something
Mm-hmm.
that has taken place in recent times, we use
Mm.
have or has, which is the present
Okay.
perfect tense of the verb. So,
Okay.
when you were telling me about yourself, you said that
Mm.
now I started doing this.
Mm.
So,
Okay.
when you are trying to convey something that you have recently started, you should use have
Okay.
or has. So you should say, now I have
I have
started.
started.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have started doing this. Or if it
Mm-hmm.
is a third person singular, like she has or he has, in that case, it will
Mm-hmm.
change. But otherwise, you should
Okay.
use have or has.
Okay. Thanks for
And
my correction.
yeah, most welcome. Also,
Mm-hmm.
when you talk about time, as in the duration
Okay.
of time, you talk about 15-20 minutes every day, you said 15-20 minutes.
Mm.
Um, and then you said not much, but 15-20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes, I
15 to
should
20
say.
minutes. Yeah, 15 to
Yeah,
20 minutes. That would make it complete. Yeah.
yeah.
Also, since we can count, minutes, as in if you're talking
Mm-hmm.
about 15 to 20 minutes, so you can simply
Okay,
say not more than 15 to 20 minutes.
okay. Yeah,
One
not more
sentence,
than 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
yes. In one sentence, you can make it very,
Mm.
very clear.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead with our discussion. So
Mm-hmm.
tell me some of the pranayams or the yoga poses that you know of and that you practice regularly.
I do not. I don't know what is the name of those, but after seeing my YouTube only, I'm doing like,
Okay.
yeah, something like that, like some stretches. Yeah,
Some
like a
stretches and
butterfly. Yeah, I
poses.
do butterfly stretches, and also I'm following Shilpa Shetty's yoga also.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah,
That is also quite inspirational.
yeah, you will get for your tricep and bicep, and
Hmm.
for your leg. Yeah, some kind of exercise I'm getting through
Mhm.
yoga. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
and also for my stomach as well. Yeah.
Okay. Why you want to cure some ailment that you have been suffering from, or you
No, no,
just
no.
to reduce
I
the.
do it my reduced. Yeah,
Okay.
future I am avoiding.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
good to know. Yeah. So, basically,
Mm-hmm.
I used to practice Surya Namaskara, and you
Surya
must have
Namaskar
heard
is
of
very
that.
good. I do
Yes,
sometimes. Yeah,
yeah,
whenever I'm having very good mood after seeing YouTube, I'm I'm doing. Yeah.
yes, yes. And the other one that also I used to practice some time ago, Padma Sadhana. So you have, some 11 to 12 asanas, and
Okay.
this
Yes.
Padma
Yes.
Sadhana. Maybe you can check that out on YouTube because you are a
Okay.
fitness freak, so maybe you would like it.
Okay. Padmasana.
Yeah,
Mm.
Padma Sadhana. So it has got
Padma
a
Sadhana.
series of 11 to 12 asanas and postures.
Okay.
So once or twice daily, that would be of great help probably to you also.
Okay. Would be helpful for us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
And
So yeah,
mentally and physically also that yoga is very good for. Yeah.
yes. Of course, mental health is the most important. If you talk about today's
Yeah.
time, sound mental health is the need of the hour.
Yeah. Throughout the day, you would be fit. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we are all so busy with our work and we get physically exhausted. But
Yeah.
if we take care
Yes.
of our mental health, it is always going to help us.
Yes. Yes. You should smile always.
Yeah, smile, then probably meditate once in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Meditation is a very good. Yeah.
yes,
For your yoga. Mm.
yeah. So you are into exercising and yoga. So there must be somebody who is really sincere about fitness in your maybe family, friends, and network. So who is that person? Maybe if you can talk about that person.
No, actually, I used to following Baba Ramdev yoga
Mm-hmm.
and Shilpa Shetty's yoga. After seeing YouTube only, I'm getting inspiration. So I can say that inspiration from seniors. We could say that your Baba Ramdev and Shilpa Shetty. Yeah,
Okay.
how they make people to do yoga and all. So yeah, that is the only mantra for me.
And there's nobody in your family, friends, or social network who also is a keen, fitness enthusiast like you.
Because all my family members are there in India. They do
Mm.
not have time to do, because if I tell also 1 day 2 days they do, then they will forget everything. Yeah,
Yes.
then they will not go for regular their routine health checkup also. I'm
Yeah.
always telling for them, at least minimum 3 to 4 months or 6 months once you go and do your health checkup. That is
Mm.
good for you. And
Mm.
anything goes wrong, you will come to know that what we can do
Mm.
for your
Mm.
future, what can be done. uh,
Yeah.
so I'm telling, keep on telling. Yeah, but the Indian people, I mean, they are not listening. Yeah, you go, you do. Don't teach me something like that. They're telling.
Mm. Okay. So here, when you said, I am always telling for them to do,
Hmm.
all these
Hmm.
things. So since you're always telling them, it has become a
Okay,
habitual practice now.
I have been telling. Yeah.
yeah, so
Mm.
a better way to express this is I
Mm-hmm.
always tell them.
I always tell them. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Not
I
telling.
always,
Yes. Telling
yeah,
is present. Yeah.
present, like at the moment you are doing it.
Yeah.
But since you've been
Yes.
doing
Yes.
it for so many years, maybe now and months, so
Mm-hmm.
you can simply say, I always tell them to practice this, but they don't listen to me. So that's how,
Yeah.
in
Correct.
simple present tense,
Yeah.
you can explain.
Yeah. That would be right word.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that would
Right
be more
sentence.
appropriate for this context.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So, what has like inspired you, to follow Shilpa Shetty? Like, how did you come to know about her YouTube videos? Uh, just tell me how you took inspiration out of it.
No, I was randomly, checked. I mean, checking in
You
the
were
YouTube
randomly
on the
checking.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, randomly checking. Then those videos are coming like Shilpa Shetty's, Baba Ramdev, and other some local yoga teachers. Their videos I got. So Shilpa Shetty's yoga is little bit inspiration because she's now 40, 45 something, but
Mhm.
still she's fine, fit and fine. So that would be like inspiration for everyone. So we
Yeah.
can also do, yeah, in that way. Yeah,
Hmm. Yeah, she is 45, close to 45, or I don't know whether she is 45 plus, but she's very
45
fit.
plus. Yeah. She looks like 35 something like that.
Yes,
Still, yeah,
yes. So true.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
have you ever tried an online fitness class also? Like, or you wish to try?
No, I have not been tried so far.
You haven't
But let's see. Yeah, once I go back to India, maybe uh, I would try to go and attend the yoga center
tried.
and all. Maybe that would be beneficial. We
Yes.
can do like like proper yoga and all. So
Hmm.
yeah,
They teach you step by step and
step
how
by
to do
step.
it.
Yeah.
They
Like
correct your postures and everything. Like,
yeah,
yeah.
correct. Yeah, because
Because
correct position should be there. Otherwise, you would something like you will be injured for your muscle
yes,
and all. Would be possible. Yeah.
yeah. So if we don't take care of the posture, we may end up hurting ourselves or injure us.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah.
So, why do you think some people prefer exercising in the gym? What do you think gives them that kind of motivation, to go and hit the gym rather than just doing free hand exercise or yoga or morning walk?
I would tell because they are paying money, no, to the gym.
Hmm.
So that's why maybe if they skip gym and all, maybe they think maybe I will lose the money, so I
Hmm.
have to go and do the gym. Even that is good for their health as well. So
Yes.
and in gym also there are trainers will be there. No? They will teach
Hmm.
properly for them and what
Yes.
kind of food you can take, what kind of drink you take, and how much portion you take. Like diet conscious, they will teach them. That will be helpful for the in the gym
Yes.
rather than sitting and making do exercise in the home. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. That's right. So
yeah,
that's the reason why, people are going for yearly subscriptions, and they pay it
yeah.
once and they know that they have to go regularly and hit the gym on a
Same.
regular basis for a year or so. So
Yeah,
that's what.
once they get experience after 1 year, 2 year, they may do in the home as well, and they can teach for other
Hmm.
people as well.
Yes.
That would be helpful. Yeah.
So, what are your personal fitness goals? Like, do you have any personal fitness goal for yourself that I want to achieve this, or I want to do these types of
No,
exercise?
now I have achieved because I was 6, 7 kilo. I was presently I'm 70 something is there, but
Hmm.
before I was 76, 77. Now I have reduced 7 kilos.
Okay.
Yeah, last
7 kilos.
4 to 5 years.
That's really
Yeah,
commendable.
yeah. By doing like discipline, taking food proper way and also doing exercise in the right manner, and I'm going to always check up, health checkup. Those kind of routine may be helpful for me to fit and fine, I would say.
Very nice to hear. Somebody who's so willing to take care of, his own health, and that's so important.
Yeah, you love
We
yourself
generally keep
first.
procrastinating,
Yeah,
but it's that immediate, immediate care is needed actually.
yeah. Nobody's take care of you. You know, your body you have to take yourself. So, like yeah, myself first. Then you can say others because they have to take care themselves. But we can tell them. We
Hmm.
cannot force them.
Hmm. Of course, you can't force
Yeah,
anybody. Finally, people have to be self-motivated.
definitely. Some people will get angry also. Why you're teaching us? We know what we can do. Yeah,
Yes. So,
yeah.
any other
Let them
specific
happy.
diet? Any other specific diet that you follow?
I don't eat rice at the night. I
Okay.
eat only chapati. Yeah, and some kind of vegetable curry. I don't eat non-vegetarian also after
Okay.
6, 7 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Once a while I eat in the afternoon. Yeah, before
Okay.
I used to eat a lot. Yeah, now I have reduced.
All right. So nice knowing about you, really, and it is
Mhm.
really inspiring for me also. And sometimes because even I have a habit of procrastinating, so it's good
Yeah,
to know about you. So I'll just
yeah.
sum it
Health
up.
is very important for everyone. I'm telling. Yeah.
So I will quickly sum it up for you. Here,
Okay.
we'll be using simple present tense, as I told you that
Okay.
simple
Hmm.
present tense is needed for habitual practices that you always
Okay.
do. So you will not
Hmm.
use present continuous and say I'm telling them. So no, I always tell them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you're talking about duration, 15-20 minutes, you say 15 to
Hmm.
20 minutes, not more than. Don't say not much. Say not more than
Okay.
15 to 20 minutes.
Not more than 15 to 20 minutes, I would
Correct.
say. Yeah.
Yes. And use present perfect tense, has or have, when you're talking about any recent activity.
Okay.
Okay.
It
So just,
has like
yeah,
that.
it
Yeah.
has, yeah, I have done this. I have
Hmm.
started it now. So
Yeah.
these are the small areas that you need to look into.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you're able to converse well. You have the
Okay.
clarity of thought and you are expressing it in a very decent way.
Okay. Yeah. I would like to rectify myself what I
Yeah,
have
just
done
these
wrong.
areas.
Yeah.
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 I guess the session may get disconnected anytime soon now. Um,
Okay.